Hey guys, welcome to another video episode of Shout Me Loud. I'm your host Harsh Agrawal, and this video is very important for every blogger, every publisher who are using affiliate marketing to monetize their website. And this is something, if you don't do this, the probability is that you might lose significant amount of your traffic, and it will take a lot of effort to recover those lost traffic. So here is what happened. Yesterday, Google team tweeted about this article from Search Central, and they laid down some principle on how you should be managing your affiliate link. So basically now, instead of no follow, you should be marking your affiliate link as REL equal to sponsored. And this is very important. If you don't do this, Google have clearly mentioned that our system might also take algorithmic action. Both manual and algorithmic action may affect how we see a site in search. So it's good to avoid things that may cause action where possible. So in summary, if you are using affiliate link on your blog or on your website or anywhere, you should be marking that with REL equal to sponsored. Now in the past, I've suggested to use nofollow, which interestingly, when we go to this page, Google says that the nofollow attribute was previously recommended for this type of links, and it is still an acceptable way to flag them, though sponsored is preferred. And since sponsored is more preferred, I would highly recommend you to start using it. Now the big question is, how do you do that? If you're using WordPress, you might be using one of the plugins like Thirsty Affiliates, Pretty Link, and let me show you how to do in that. So if you're using Thirsty Affiliate, go to Thirsty Affiliate settings, click on link appearances, and here you will see this option called additional REL attribute tags. Now here just type sponsored and click on save changes. Now what this will do is, for all the affiliate link which is clogged using Thirsty Affiliate plugin, it will automatically add sponsored REL tag. Now if you're using something like Pretty Links, and this one is more simpler actually, you can go to Pretty Links settings, and here they have this option called enable sponsored. You just need to enable it, save this, update the settings, and that's it. It will automatically add sponsored. Now I believe the way Google is determined to improve the quality of the content and bring the transparency to the way they are ranking their different websites, it's very important for all the publishers, all the bloggers to start implementing REL equal to sponsored. Now if you're not using an affiliate plugin, you should definitely start using it to manage your affiliate links. Now another very important thing, now if you're using any third-party tool to automatically add affiliate link on your website, in the past we have seen services like Vidgelink, Skimlinks, Qlinks. You need to ensure that those links which are added by these services also have REL equal to sponsored tag. You need to go to your source code to check if REL equal to sponsored is added or not. And if it is not there, then you need to ask your account manager to make these changes, share them this article link. I'll leave the link of this article in the description. You can pick it up from there, and then you can pass it on to your account manager. But nonetheless, you should be doing it from today onwards. This is going to be very critical, and make sure that you pass on this video to your friends who are into affiliate marketing, who are a blogger, a publisher, a creator who are using affiliate marketing to monetize their web properties. With that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh.